This is Sri Venkatramana Temple Mulki, and today is a very big festival here. It's Mulki Temple's Pratishtha Purnima. Many years ago, centuries ago, today was the day when our Swamiji brought Lord Ugra Narasimha's idol and did Pratishtha of the idol in this temple. This is the amazing, yummy Anna Prasad that is served in the temple, and this is the Shiyala Abhisheka that is performed, tender coconut. This and much more information, all of this coming in this video. So don't miss this video and watch it till the end. This is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath's vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Today we are going to Mulki. Today is December 4th, Mulki Pratishtha Purnima, the day of Pratisthapana of Lord Ugra Narasimha in the Garbhagudi of Venkatramana Temple, Mulki. The day is special because only one day in the entire year the idol of Lord Ugra Narasimha is taken out from the temple sanctum, in the sense, not temple sanctum, from the Garbhagudi. It's brought a little outside, and Ugra Narasimha means the fierce form of Narasimha. So cool his anger down. So entire day they do abhisheka of tender coconut, curd, milk, honey, ghee. So Panchamrita Abhisheka the entire day. Only tender coconut can cool him. So if you want to do any seva as is on this day, you put 5 tender coconuts to the god, to offer to the god. So that's the way of offering. And there are many other abhishekas and other pujas, Rudra Abhisheka and Kanaka Abhisheka and many more abhishekas that you can, other pujas that you can do to the god. But this is the basic thing, that if you are planning to do anything, 5 tender coconuts on Pratishtha Punna of the day. Many stories about Mulki temple. One being that, not stories, epics, I don't know what is the right word. One is that when Vanabhajana Kani so for Vanabhojana, they kedan yochi November Vanabhojana time. So this story comes from that time. So what was happening was, they were taking the Lord Venkatramana Narasimha idol. So they were taking Venkatramana's idol and they were going. The Swamiji was taking it, and then it was all darkness back in the day. So they asked a Jain king to give a little bit of light or lamp or whatever, so that they can take the god further in the procession. But he refused, saying, no, we won't give to your god. And then Swamiji said, it's okay, Narasimha will protect us, he will show some way, let's keep going. And they went a little ahead, it seems, and then the entire place got burnt off. And with the light of that burning light, they got the way, they could see the way, and that's how they went ahead with the god in the procession. So such is the Karanika of Lord Ugra Narasimha. And today's Pratishtha Punnam is the only day, it's a day of Pratishtha. So today is the only day when God's idol, Narasimha's idol, Ugra Narasimha's idol, is taken out of the temple, and otherwise the entire place will be Bhasma. Entire place will be catching fire, because his Ugra, his fierce form. More than 1 lakh tender coconuts are offered today. Earlier, there was no limit on the number of coconuts to be offered. One person could offer any number of tender coconuts. So people used to put 10, 20 and many more. And then the Abhisheka would go on. It would begin at morning 8 o'clock, I think. And it would go on till 5, 6. And in the evening, there is Buri Samaradhane. That is temple feast. It is very, very yummy. So then for that reason, they cut it down to end the Abhisheka around 3 or 4 p.m. So now one person can put only 5 tender coconuts. On the day of Pratishtha Punnav, to limit and maintain the traffic, your vehicle cannot go beyond this point. You'll have to park your vehicles here before this Gopura, and then walk down. If for older people, elderly people, senior citizens, there will be free rickshaw which you can take and go to the temple. Otherwise, rest all have to walk down. There were designated 2-3 areas for parking, so you can park your two-wheelers, four-wheelers there. And yes, you have to climb down this road, and while coming back, it's kind of a tough thing to climb up this road. Mulki Pratishtha Punnam is a very special occasion which attracts lakhs of devotees, and during Abhisheka time there will be huge crowd and huge line. So lot of devotees come early in the morning like 7 a.m., 6 a.m. early in the morning, and then visit the temple. Some come late in the night to visit and take blessings from Lord Ugra Narasimha. So this is the temple surroundings, and all these places will have so many shops. Ratha Tandava Sajiratri. They will pull the chariot in the night though, after midnight today. Devotees who come to Venkatramana temple Mulki offer shialas, that is tender coconuts. They either buy from nearby shops or you can bring from your home, and they offer it to Lord Ugra Narasimha on Pratishtha Punnav day. And then you have to give a count of how many you have put to the god so that they can maintain a number. This is the Abhisheka that is going on to Lord Ugra Narasimha. You can see there is tender coconut, then there is ghee, curd, and honey, milk. All of that is offered. Kar sevaks or volunteers from all over the country come here and offer seva. Any kind of volunteering is considered as a devotion to the god. So you can offer to cut the tender coconuts and then put it, take it inside the water inside the temple sanctum, or bring it out, or stand to give the panchamrit, distribute it, or serve lunch. Any kind, lot of work will be there on this day, and devotees do all these kind of volunteering works, out of which my father used to sit in this temple receipt counter here, this exact place, and do seva every year. My father Nandan Kamath would come every year and sit in this seva receipt counter and make a note of receipts and all the temple donations. So this year when I saw that receipt counter, I missed seeing my father there. It left me very teary eyed, brought lot of tears, lot of memories. I missed Anu there. This is Lord Ugra Narasimha's idol, to whom the tender coconut Abhisheka is being done. Om Namo Narasimhaya Namaha. Pray to Lord Ugra Narasimha and all your troubles, all your problems will be vanished. May Lord Narasimha bless all of you and your family. The tender coconuts Shiala Abhisheka that is done to Lord Ugna Narasimha. Then the water, that is the tender coconut water, is offered to devotees as Panchamrit. So there is abhishek of ghee, sugar, honey, curd, and tender coconut milk, all of that. The mixture of all these five elements is called Panchamrit, and that is served to all these devotees. Here you can see. Then the malai of the coconut is also served to devotees. You can take the coconut, and there are people, volunteers sitting who will break the coconut and give it to you, and you can eat the malai. And hey, if you're thinking what happens to the coconut shells then, is it a waste? No. Then it is taken to a place where all these are put into a machine, and it is grinded and it is made into fine husk. All this husk is then put to arecanut trees as fertilizer, manure, and then that goes back to nature again. So nothing is wasted here. And free palahara, that is snacks and lunch, is served to all the devotees who come here. This is my cousin Suraksha, who is a volunteer, and she's serving Panchamrit to all the other volunteers who can't go there to the place and collect it. This is Cherno, this is Povu, and then there is Karkala cake, and there was Mysore pak, and hot tea and coffee. Also, you can watch the entire Pratishtha Punnav live stream on Youth of GSB YouTube channel. They are the live streaming partners. They have put LCD screens everywhere inside the temple and even in Pratishte Punve Sant is very famous. That is all the shops and street shopping is very famous. You can see a lot of shops have already been put up in the afternoon itself, and in the evening the vibe totally changes with lot of beautiful lightings. Mulki Venkatramana temple believes that no devotee should go hungry while visiting the temple and taking God's darshan. So here every day in the afternoon and in the night there is lunch and dinner served to all the devotees who visit in Annapurna Bhojana Shala. So on Pratishtha Punnav, lakhs of devotees have lunch here, and in the night also lakhs of devotees come to have Annaprasad there in the Bhojanshala as well as here in Annapurna. This is my cousin Kirtana and me roaming around to buy Bidki Bazaar from this Sante. Yes, but hair band, gear band, clip, gift pura. ஆமா ஜாமுனா லைன் போல या एक वाण पुल गोया दिसानी बेबी चप्पल चलडू अलवाण कशील गो म्हण हे अंगडीन तू घेव का गो म्हणता. And then I liked this shop. Everything was glittery, shiny. These clips and bangles looked very beautiful. So I went in to explore, found this clip, but then I kind of felt this clip may not last long. So then I didn't go to buy it. I felt the beads may come off. I liked it, but you think it will last? कुप्पी कंकणा अंगड़ी book shop, and then we found the shop which is 20 rupees shop. So this is that viral head band. From one side you do, the ear will come up. Change takalva kan vairetta chappalari, that one. And the favorite 20 rupees shop, let me show you. 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ. I bought this one clip and the small rubber band for baby. All those steel is 150 rupees. They have chair, small bulldozer. Gobi manchuri, pani puri shop. Nodi upara pala. नहीं है सुखाबा कसा मॉल सिल्वर आकर शब्द हच्चिकल्वा ಇವನು ಬ್ಯೂನು ತಕ ಪೊಳನೂರು ಹೊಡ್ಚೆ look at this lion so funny ಬೈ ಬಿಡ್ಕಿ ಬಿಜಾರ ಹಳ್ಳೆ ಅಮ್ಮೋಡು ಸಂಜೆ ರೀ ಈ ಶಾಂತ ಚಂದ ದಿಸ್ತಾ ಲೈಟ್ ಪಡ್ತಾನವ शांत हीची देर इज नो चेंज होया कसा 20 रुपये न्याचुरल ड्राई फ्रूट के सब पळे तर बघा कसा ना मका After doing all these street shopping, I left from Mulki to my home in Udupi to return in the evening for Buri Samaradhane.
2,000 years later.
Hey, this is how I've gotten ready to go to Mulki Pratishthe Punnav today. My bangles, my sari, and here we are. My tailor Sukhalata Shettikar stitched this blouse. Let's go to Pratishthe Punnav. Amazing, yummy Javan temple feast, Buri Samaradhane. Let's go. After the morning darshan of Lord Ugra Narasimha, we are going again now in the evening. This time in a beautiful Kanjivaram sari. Morning, honestly, I went to do some work or seve, Kara seve you can call. I went to do seve, but I couldn't do any seve as I went with the baby then. It's evening time now. It's the Buri Samaradhane time. So here we are. It's now in the evening time. Everything gets lit up. So many Bidki Bazaar Angadis, Sante, Sumar Angadis. All that look very beautiful in the night. And a lot of glam, glitter everywhere. Beautiful lights. And then there is a chariot which is pulled in the night. Other thing that I want to address is so many people keep asking me, why don't you make vlogs in Konkani? Why don't you make vlogs in Tulu? Why don't you make vlogs in Kannada? Why are you talking in English? The intent is to reach wider audience so that they know about our Udupi, Mangalore culture. They know about our GSB culture. They come visit our temples. They understand our rituals. So the intent is to spread to a wider audience. And some people have that concern that they want to see only the temple and the puja. Why is your face coming in between the video? We don't want to see what you are doing. Just show us the temple and the puja and the god. So I can redirect you to a great page, YouTube channel called Youth of GSB. Their content is no nonsense, just pure worship, divine, showing the god and the puja and the ceremonies that happen that day in all GSB temples, covering almost all major festivals and occasions. Their channel has everything. They covered today's Pratishthe Punnav fully. So you can watch their channel just to see the god and everything about today's rituals and just the god. And my channel, I make vlogs mostly. So you like it or not, you'll have to see my face. Sorry. Yeah, I will come pop up here and there in between bits and pieces and talk and try to give an idea of what is what. And we reached the temple. There was good parking arrangements for cars. 2 parking spots where you have to park your car and then walk down. On the left side there is free rickshaw for elderly people who can't walk. So many shops. We saw these shops in the afternoon, right? Now look at them in the evening. It's a different vibe. It's evening time and I will show you Pratishthe Punnav lighting. the palanki which is taken for Utsav in the night. Here is the most awaited part of the Pratishtha Punna, the Buri Samaradhane, amazing yummy dinner which we wait for 1 full year to have this Anna Prasad. So here they've already started serving. Dinner here is served at 7 in the evening. Huge crowd gathers and devotees gather in thousands to have this Anna Prasada. There is Surna Nonche pickle, and then there is Chanangashi with Kadgi and Surno, and then there is Barshi Upkari which is being served from the banana leaf. Then there is rice served with tomato rasam, tomato saru, and then there was another curry called kuale puli kodel, and then rice again with dalitoy, and yummy sweet paisa called godshe. Pratishtha Punnam at Sri Venkatramana Temple, Mulki, and Pratishtha Punnam, so there is full moon today. There are a lot of utsavs that happen in the entire night. It's almost a 24-hour non-stop function festival occasion called Pratishtha Purnima, and one among them is putting the god to sleep in this cradle. यहाँ पूरा घरा వచ్చి भीतर This place is children's heaven. Huge. Huge JCB. ताजे रब लाता From buying things to ourselves to coming outside this toy shop and searching toys for our baby, we have come a long way. I have come a long way. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. If you're in and around Udupi, Mangalore, don't forget to visit this Mulki Venkatramana temple and get blessings from Lord Venkatramana and Ugra Narasimha. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna. Om Namo Narasimhaya Namaha.